July 14th. Here's what moved. Hy3 free holds number 1 on OpenRouter. $0.000 per million tokens. MIMO, V2.5 in second at 10 cents. Sponsor /F is trending on GitHub. 114 stars today. Codeium.codeium downloads down 38% this week. Nemotron 3 Ultra dropped 60 ranks on OpenRouter this week. Nemotron 3 Ultra free climbed 1 ranks from 8th to 7th. Claude Code plugin that plays a mister. At Anthropic AI/SDK on NPM, down 20%. New research, read it back. Pre-trained MLLMs are zero-shot reward models. GitHub.copilot on vscode, downloads down 49%. Sourcegraph.cody.ai on vscode, downloads down 48%. That's the briefing. Every number links to its source. Gawk.dev.